Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nail on Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark, and in this video we're going to do a gorgeous gold leaf design with some black gel polish. So we're going to start by popping some serious black on the palette and some top coat, and get a brush. Give them that. Mix a little bit of the black with the top coat just so it's opaque. Paint the whole tip or nail. Pop that in the lamp to cure. And on this tacky layer we're going to take our gold leaf and a wax pencil. Just pick up some random pieces, pop it in the middle.
It usually sticks to it that easy, doesn't it?
I know. Well, I think I'll use some foil glue to make this easier for myself. Ah, my bad. It's because the top coat's not tacky. And I'm not with it today, you know. Oh, God. And we'll start again. So we'll pick up some foil and stick it to our foil. Look at that.
There we go.
What I thought it was going to do the first time. And then with our serious black, I'm going to do a border around the outside. To the lamp. Take our matte top coat and paint the whole surface with that. Pop that back in the lamp. Then again with our serious black detail push. Going to paint some little flower buds. Before you cure that, we'll take some clear acrylic powder And just sprinkle that over the wet gel. Pop that into the lamp. And just brush off the excess. And how gorgeous is that? So pretty, so easy, and so effective. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If there's any other tips and tricks you would like to know, please comment down below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.